10 surprising ways to make money online even if you have no skill. Hey everyone, today I am going to tell you 10 surprising ways to make money online even if you have no skills. Stick around to learn how to earn some real money. There are various ways to make money online, and the opportunities continue to expand with the growth of the internet. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for services such as writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, and more. You will need some skills to sell there, but today I am showing you a few ways to earn money even without having skills. The first way is to sell your products on Etsy. On Etsy, you can easily create a shop in a few steps. You just need to select Shop, Preferences, name your shop, stock your shop, select a payment method, set up billing, and lastly, add security to it. Now the thing is, if you don't have any stock or products, then how can you do it? Well, you can easily connect and use several dropshipping apps like CJ Dropshipping, Alibaba, or AliExpress to sell products. It only requires a little skill or investment. So go ahead and fill in the details here to start generating profit on every sale. Make sure you have created catchy listings and the products that you are selling should be in trend. The next platform that can help you to earn money is Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand dropshipping platform that allows you to create and sell custom products online without having to handle inventory or fulfillment. You can easily design and sell even virtual products by using it. The process of account creation on Printify is very easy. You just need to enter your email address and password, or you can continue by using your Google account. In the catalog section, you will find several templates that you can customize and use as per your needs. Just choose the product you want to design and then start customizing it. Upload your designs or create custom designs using the Printify design tool. Ensure your designs meet the requirements for printing on the chosen products. You can easily add pictures, change color, and edit text to make your design attractive. Printify works with different print providers. Choose the one that suits your needs based on factors such as location, pricing, and production speed. Determine the pricing for your products. Consider the production cost, Printify's fees, and the profit margin you want to achieve. It is important to find a balance between competitive pricing and profitability. Connect Printify with your chosen e-commerce platform. Examples given are Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. This integration allows you to automatically sync your products and manage orders seamlessly. As your store gains traction, consider scaling by adding more products, expanding your marketing efforts, and exploring additional sales channels. The next platform is Shopify. It works almost the same as the last two methods. Earning money with Shopify involves setting up an online store, selecting products, marketing effectively, and providing excellent customer service. Just click on the product section and add the products that you want to sell here. Add complete details about your product, including title, description, media, pricing, inventory, and shipment details. Once done, explore the Shopify App Store to find apps that enhance your store's functionality. Apps for marketing, SEO, customer service, and analytics can help streamline your business operations. Remember that success in e-commerce takes time and effort. Continuously refine your strategy, stay customer-focused, and be adaptable to changes in the market. The next platform that can help you earn money is Sedo.com. Sedo.com is a domain marketplace that allows users to buy and sell domain names. If you have domain names that you want to sell, list them on Sedo. Firstly, you will need to create an account on Sedo.com. First, you need to provide accurate information and then verify your account. Fill in this form and your account will be created. After that, you just need to provide detailed information about each domain, including its history, keywords, and any additional value it may have. Next is we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a platform that allows users to earn money and gift cards by completing various online tasks, such as surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. Swagbucks offers paid surveys from various companies. Take surveys based on your demographics and interests to earn SB or swag bucks. You can also watch short video clips on swag bucks and earn SB. These videos can include advertisement, news, and entertainment content. Once you accumulate enough SB, you can redeem them for a variety of gift cards or cash through PayPal. Install the Swagbucks browser extension to receive notifications about available cashback opportunities and deals when you are shopping online. Swag codes are time-limited codes that can be entered on the Swagbucks website or app for instant SB. Keep an eye on social media, Swagbucks newsletters, or the Swagbucks blog for announcements of swag codes. The other platform that can be a game changer for you is Cointoply. Cointoply is a platform that allows users to earn cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, through various activities. First, you need to create an account and then play games or fulfill the tasks provided by Cointoply to earn money. You can also watch videos, share your opinions, and complete offers provided by Cointoply. For account creation, just fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. That's really easy. Once you are done, you will get to see the homepage of Printify. The next and most common way to earn money is creating a YouTube channel and putting content on it. Now you must be thinking about what content you can post if you know nothing about it. So several copyright-free channels on YouTube allow you to repost their content. For example, you can download and repost the videos posted by NASA on its official channel. Giving them credit for the video in the description is a good idea. Apart from that, you can post your everyday routine here or your hobby, like gardening, that you maybe like doing. Moving to the next way, we have Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is an affiliate marketing platform where vendors can sell their digital products and affiliates can promote those products to earn commissions. Explore the marketplace to find products that align with your niche or are of interest to your audience. After that, look for products with high conversion rates and positive reviews. Once approved, you will receive unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. On promoting those links, you will earn a commission on every scale. Next, we have Freelancer. It is a platform that is used to offer your skills and services to clients around the world. You just need to create your account by adding your details, like complete name, email address, and password. And once your account is created, continue with I want to work. You can offer different services like content writing, lead generation, virtual assistant, and more. Just select the related category and skills to continue. You will get to see different jobs posted here. You can apply for ones that match your skills. Regularly, browse job listings on the Freelancer platform and apply to those that match your skills and interests. Craft personalized proposals for each job application to increase your chances of getting hired. Once you start getting responses from clients, communicate promptly and professionally. Clarify project details, expectations, and deadlines to ensure a clear understanding between you and the client. Lastly, we have Canva. Canva is a versatile graphic design tool that can be used for various purposes. You can use it to enhance your skills or create content for various online ventures. Simply use Canva to create impressive graphic designs and offer your services as a freelance graphic designer. You can find clients on freelancing platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, or even through your network. Just click on the Create a Design button and start designing whatever it is that you want. Canva offers a variety of free templates that you can use in your work. Apart from that, you can join Canva to sell your templates on it. It will get you money whenever someone downloads your template. So, these were some easy ways to make money online. Hope you got some value, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.